Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case and your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. We can check it at the device list. On Apple devices you have a text that it's do not connected. On Android devices it will move from my devices to save devices, and it also means that your earbuds are disconnected. After that you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!